So today we're walking around in the neighborhood of Ballard, right next to Moonphoto, and we're going to be taking some photos and doing side-by-side comparisons of these two cameras, our reloadable point and shoot and then our disposable camera. Both film both Kodak 800 speed. Let's go shoot. Doing a portrait with flash, gonna do the reloadable point and shoot first. And now we're gonna do the disposable camera. Same photo with flash. 3, 2, 1. What do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah, how's it feel?
In shooting with these guys, it definitely is. Is it rude to say flimsy?
No.
Okay. In shooting these guys, it definitely feels more flimsy when, like, pressing down the shutter and, like, I don't know, just the hand feel of it. This definitely feels a lot more sturdy, has a little more weight to it, feels more robust.
Now let's break down the price difference. For the point and shoot, we loaded it with Portra 800, which retails for around $18, and the disposable camera we use is also $18. The price per frame breakdown is 51 cents in the point and shoot and 61 cents in the disposable camera. The savings after shooting X amount of rolls, shooting Portra 800 in a reloadable camera, after 5 rolls you would have saved around $18, 10 rolls $36, and 20 rolls $72, which you could then put into upgrading your camera or buying more film.